Hello folks, I showed this once before, I'm going to show it again, and I'm going to show you an easy way to cook corn on the cob. It's simple, easy, and fast. Right now I'm going to be using 2 corn on the cobs. What I do, I pull all this crap here off of it. Yeah, I said crap. And then, what I do, I give a little haircut. Okay, move the camera here. Give a little haircut here. Same thing with this one. Oh, I cut there. Okay, now. I got my 2 corn on the cob here. And to make sure that it doesn't get stuck in the microwave, this one's okay. This one might be okay too. I usually tear these end pieces off if it's too long. Sometimes they're actually too long. And this one here's probably okay though. Bless his heart. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it like that. It'll be okay. And I don't think you have to, but what I do, let me walk over here. I just run a little water over the corn here, just to keep moisture in, the way I do it. I don't think you have to. I never done it the other way yet. So this is ready to be put in. So let me open the microwave up here. There we go. And I close the door. And what I do, since I do 4 minutes per 1 cob, add 2 minutes for each additional cob. Since I got 2, that'll be 6 minutes. I'll be adding. If you have 3 of them, that'll be 4 plus 2 plus 2. It's really simple. Okay, after I take them out of the microwave, make sure you got some mittens on, they'll be hot. Take a corn. And you want to go about maybe a ½ inch to an inch back. You're going to lose some kernels, but that's okay. It's easy this way anyway. Then you slice down. Then after you slice down, you just squeeze the corn out. And if you don't cut back far enough, it doesn't do correctly. So what we're going to do, no fret, cut a little more end off here. And just slide the corn out. That's all you do. Just like that. Just no hairs. It's hairless is what it is. Now I cut the tip off so it'll be easier to put the corn dingies on it. These are dingies here. And sometimes you lose a little bit of corn, but it's a whole lot easier to cook it. Get rid of this. I have to bring the trash can over here. Got to go get the trash can. Make it easier right near me. See how I do on this one. Not quite, almost. Still got a little piece there. Can't get it perfect every time, so no fret on that. But these gloves make it really hard to slide the car out. There we go. Got this other piece off. Put the dinghies in it. I don't know what you call them. Car and top holders or. Here you go. Somebody always turn your trays backwards, so anyway. And that's all you do for it. Makes it really easy. Get another cooking video, I'll show it for you. Talk to you later.